Hey guys, Rob here with eBuyer Gaming. So today we're going to be taking a look at how to get set up on Mixer. Now, if you haven't heard of Mixer, Mixer is a streaming platform that is owned by Microsoft. And you've probably seen it in the news over the last week as one of Twitch's biggest streamers, Ninja, has made the switch from Twitch to the Mixer platform. So we're going to look at how to set up your streaming software and link it to the Mixer website, and then also some of the main features of Mixer that you can take advantage of if you're using this platform. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is head on over to the Mixer website. That's at www.mixer.com, and that will bring you to the front page of Mixer. So you can see here we have an option for featured streams at the top, then we have categorized by top games, the only on Mixer section which shows the different hype zones, which I'll go into more detail of later, and then we have up and coming streamers, and then a list at the bottom that shows the most popular streams at the moment. So as we're looking to stream on Mixer, the first thing we're going to want to do is go and sign in. There's a few ways you can sign in. The first one is with your Microsoft account. You can also sign in using either Twitter or Discord. For this video, we're going to sign in using our Microsoft account. So you can see there, once I've signed in, it's pulled through my avatar and name in the top right. So what we're going to want to do is click on our avatar and go to Broadcast Dashboard. This is going to have all our options for both the broadcast and our preferences. This is also going to enable us to link to the streaming software. So the first thing you're going to want to do is set your broadcast settings. So stream title, depending on what you're playing on that day. Then you're going to want to choose your game. This works very much similar to how it works on Twitch, where if you start searching, it will show you options and then you can just select one from the existing categories. The channel audience, which allows you to switch between family friendly, teen or 18 plus. So depending on the style of your channel, you're going to want to change that. Your language, and then also the share text. Share text is a really nice feature that allows you to customize the text that automatically comes up when someone shares your stream. So you can basically customize this and add URLs to it or anything if you want to. It's a nice little feature, and it just allows you to add a little bit more personalization to your channel. So within preferences, you can also change the message that comes up when you're hosted. You can also change what happens when you host someone else, and then when someone subscribes or someone follows, you can change how that is announced in the chat. You can also turn on recordings of your stream, and you can make it so that if you're offline, you will automatically be playing old streams on the channel. So if new people are coming into the channel while you're offline, they're going to see one of your previous streams and see a little bit of how you are on the stream, that kind of thing. You can also choose to automatically mute other streams while you are live. So for auto moderation, you have the cat bot, which you can click on here. It's definitely worth setting some level of auto moderation, but at the same time, if you start to build up viewers and you've got some consistent viewers, it might be worth inviting some of those to become moderators in your channel. We'll go into more detail on how you can do that in a bit. So for content controls, you can basically control how your stream is discovered across the website. So you can allow your channel to be featured by Mixer, which is where it will show up on that front page that we looked at the start. You can also choose whether to allow your channel to be hosted, and then you can choose whether you can be hosted by the Hype Zone. Now the Hype Zone is a really nice feature that's supported in certain games and basically will scan the game category and look for games or streams that are currently in sort of high intensity moments, and it will then basically host those streamers and bring across the Hype Zone viewers to that channel. It's a really good way for new streamers to grow, and it's one of the best features I think of Mixer, because rather than sorting you by how many viewers you've got, it will sort you by the actual gameplay that's happening within your stream. And it's an exciting thing as well to suddenly be put into the Hype Zone and have loads of viewers and gain a few new followers. And this is one of the reasons why people say that Mixer is a great option for new streamers starting out. So finally, from this page, you're going to want to take your stream key. This is what you're going to use to link your streaming software to the website. So you can copy that key simply by clicking on that, and at any time you can regenerate the stream key if you need to. So if we click on Stream Setup, we're also going to have options for the different software that you can use for streaming. And if, for example, if we click on Streamlabs OBS, you'll see we can get the stream key from here, and we can also choose the server that we want to stream to. You can also change options for the stream, such as the resolution and the FPS, and it gives you recommendation on the bitrate that you should use for those settings. For more detailed setup instructions, you can click on the Setup Instructions button, and it'll take you and show you exactly what you need to do for the stream software that you've chosen. So that's it for setting up the broadcast. What you're then going to want to do is go to the Customize tab and basically add some branding for your channel. So here you can see we've added our previous avatar. You can add a social thumbnail, change the background, and then set an offline image. And then basically on this left hand side, you're going to want to set like a channel intro to introduce people to the channel, and then have a bit of a description about what you're about. And you can also add links and stuff to this. So you can pretty much customize this whole section to how you want it. And this is going to be your brand ultimately. So you want to make sure that it's engaging. This is quite an old one that I did back when I tried out Mixer, but it's definitely worth spending some time getting this right and making sure, you know, you've got up-to-date links and everything's looking nice. So further down the left, we can see past streams and clips. So if we've selected the option to save your streams, then this is where they're going to show up. For clips, this is where users can highlight parts of your stream, and then they'll be stored here for 14 days. The users tab is going to allow you to select editors, mods, and also see who's been banned from the channel. As I've said before, if you've got people that are viewing your stream regularly, you can look at setting some of those as mods, and that will just add another layer of protection to the chat of your stream. So at this point, you'll now be linked up between your streaming software and the website itself. So once you're ready, you can hit that go live button on the streaming software, and then it should pull through directly to Mixer and allow you to start streaming on the platform. So that's going to be it for our guide on how to get set up with the Mixer streaming platform. If you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments about the software, then don't forget to leave those in the comment section below. We also have a Discord server which you're more than welcome to join, and you can ask us in there any questions or anything you're unsure of. If you're interested in more of these tutorial videos, then make sure you're subscribed to the channel. But other than that, we hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.